I try to keep my composure, but inside my brain is So the rings are secured, the dial what's that? Why did they... Well, no clue what happened there. There's a shock system of the balance wheel from the other side. I really cannot think why this is scratched. What don't you... have anybody of you got an... Oh, look at that. Just don't. Why? And here you can see it's not even... There is a lot of oil, but it wasn't even properly cleaned. Well, quite an adventure again. Never a dull moment. This is getting ludicrous. And again here, the Panerai treatment. Only the bit you see is finished, and the rest we just don't bother. I was looking for the steel ring. It is stuck because of the oil. You see these are two parts. Yeah. I was missing this ring, so I thought it must be somewhere. But it was stuck to the screw because of the excessive lubrication. As you all know who watch this YouTube channel regularly, because we've been doing this from 2017 we started, 5 years ago. There is no defect in watch movement that can be solved by adding more oil. Not one. Edwin, mocht je dit zien, we can make springs so much more beautiful than this. I hope it's sunblock. This is just like a moat. Oh, look at this. This is completely insane. Yeah. Well, never a dull moment. There it is. And this is why. As always, I presume all watchmakers do their best. But I'm afraid this one was simply lacking some experience or education, or... I must say, I really had to look how this ring was attached to this movement. But there weren't too many options left, so it had to be like this. Well, the first setting lever spring, and how to remove that one in a safe way. let's put it like this. Lift it. There we are. Easy. There's the yoke, smothered in oil. Sliding pinion, winding pinion, and as you can see, there's so much insane lubrication, and it's not even cleaned properly. And that is what is slightly ticking me off. And this is extremely psycho based. If you're got a bit experience in watchmaking, this spring is a lot like how Psycho does make it. If you just joined, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker here in the Netherlands, watching live watchmaking, and you never know what to expect.